What is up, my YouTube friends? I'm back with another video and I'm here with my sister Yali, and we are going to be doing a fall look. So guys, we are going to be doing fall looks, as I said. I think I'm going to be doing more of a cool tone type of look. You are going to be doing what?
I'm going to the dark side.
Oh, so she'll be doing a dark fall look. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. Do not forget to give me a like and to subscribe and comment down below if you guys would like to see more videos like these. So let's get to it. So we've already kind of put the eye base, all that fun stuff. What palette are you going to be using?
Modern Renaissance from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And we're also going to be using the James Charles palette. Yay!
Beautiful palette, lots of colors.
The Too Faced Pretty Rebel.
Okay. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35H palette. I don't know what I'm going to use in there yet, but I know I'm going to use it. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. So I think I'm going to stick to those. I don't know, but if I don't, I will show you guys. Yali actually does makeup as well. She's a makeup artist and she lives in Lawrence. So if you're ever looking, makeup artist in Lawrence, I should hit her up. I'll have her Instagram linked below and somewhere over here.
What is one of your favorite palettes? Like one that you must go to?
That's a hard question. I mean, is there one that you reach for the most?
Nope.
Exactly. Like I can't say that I reach for one more than the other because they all have different colors. So it just all depends on how I'm feeling that day. If I'm feeling like I want something vibrant or something like thing, then I'll always go for like the Juvia's Place palettes because those have the most pigment.
I really love the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu one, because I don't know if you noticed, but it has like an amazing green in there.
Oh yeah,
it like doesn't do the justice of the green just sitting in the palette, but once you like start working with it,
it actually looks different.
Oh my god, it's
I haven't
so
used
beautiful.
it. I've used
I used it on a client this weekend and it was just beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful.
I haven't used that specific color on there. I've used all the other ones, but then again, I'm not such like a vibrant person. Like I won't reach for a lot of colors.
Yeah.
Do a pop of color, you know?
I love colors. Colors and we will always be friends.
I just feel like there's always stuff coming out that I never get time to like just enjoy one palette.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
always like, I have to get the other one.
Yeah.
I have to do another
It's always
thing.
like that.
Yeah.
And it's like you have to keep up.
But I do it anyway, so it doesn't really matter what I say because I'll see another one pop out and it's like the same exact colors that I have, but I'll be like, I've never seen that color before.
Or when we go to Ulta and we're like, do you have that one? Because I don't have that one. And then we're like, okay, we're both getting it, so we end up getting it. You have a husband, you're like, well, no evidence, let's throw the receipts away.
Like I didn't see that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
But the thing is that my husband sees so many palettes that to
he
him,
thinks
they're all the same. Like he's like, oh, you didn't buy any. You're right. This is the one you've had for years. I'm like, yeah, sure.
Are you crazy?
Because tell me not, men have the best
eyelashes.
Like, why did we not get blessed with the beautiful lashes that men have? I might use this Mary Kay concealer. This one is super thick. I like using that to cut my crease.
I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible again. The same one I used to set my eyes. I'm gonna use this to cut my crease, just in a lighter shade there.
What do you use as a brush? Like what type of brush is that?
I use a flat brush. and I literally like use my fingers and I press it together. But prior to that, I always use eyelash glue, the duo transparent one, the one that dries clear, and I just put it on both of my fingers and I just
like you
pass
your
it
fingers through it?
Yeah, until it's flat enough. And look,
there you go.
it's flat. See, just from going like that.
Always use this brush. It's the Morphe M213, and
But
this
that
one
would work good too.
This one's just small, so it's
Yeah.
very precise.
Yeah,
like
that's
you
a
know,
good one,
but like for clients, I would rather have like something bigger like that,
Yeah.
just because it's just easier. This one, it takes a little bit because I have to work in small little strokes.
Yeah.
But it works good. But I've never tried to do that with a brush, like tried to put glue and then I think I'm gonna have to try it. Do you want to use like a small mirror just so it's not all over
I'll
your
use a
face?
small mirror.
I usually try to find the one that's like less weighted.
So what I usually do is I trace it and then I go in and fill it in.
I always fill in as I go. It's what I do. I don't know why.
You can't technically breathe when you're doing it.
So I'm gonna go in using the Morphe 35H palette, and I'm gonna take a burgundy kind of dark shade for the crease, and it's gonna be right on the outer V actually.
And I'm gonna go ahead and use a brownish, dark brownish color for the outer corner of my eye. So I'll be using the Too Faced Pretty Rebel palette.
No one's here, Yali.
Is it me or do things disappear as you go? Kind of swear they disappear.
Pretty much you.
Me?
Yeah. I'm going to add this. I got this in my last Boxy Charm. It's the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow, and it's kind of like this silverish color that I'm going to put right here.
I really love this gold.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
Really looks nice. I'm feeling the fall. Like, people already tell me that I can't get pumpkin coffee because it's not October yet, and I'm like,
What the hell?
I love pumpkin coffee. If I can have it all year round, I would, but people judge me. They'll be like, why are you ruining the whole experience of the fall? And I'm just like, your experience and my experience are two different experiences, so.
Oh my lord. It's true though, I won't have pumpkin spice lattes.
You too?
Yeah, I just realized it.
Oh,
I won't have pumpkin spice lattes unless it's like fall. Because during the summer, I will not drink a pumpkin spice latte. It's just not the time.
so I'm waiting till like September 23rd because I think the last day of summer is September 22nd. So I'm waiting till September 23rd so I can have my pumpkin coffee with my friends judging me.
No. It's as soon as it gets like cold.
But it's been cold this past.
That's what I mean. Like I have pumpkin spice creamer downstairs.
Oh, stop it. Don't make me craving coffee right now.
So guys, we are ready to do our faces. What are you going to be using today, Yali?
I am going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal foundation.
I can tell you like that one.
I really do. I really do.
I'm going to be using a drugstore favorite of mine, which is the Wet n Wild foundation. For some weird reason, during this time, I just keep reaching for it. So, Desert Beige and Caramel. So I mixed the two to create my perfect match.
Ooh, yes, I'll be mixing two. I'll be using Maybelline Superstay in a lighter color, and then the L'Oreal Infallible in a darker color, because I can never find my true match. So even though they say true match,
yeah, like it, I never actually get it. No. For my primer, I'm gonna be using the No Pore Blem primer, and this one is super watery. I don't know why, but it works great. Yeah, look at it.
Oh,
like,
no. Not a watery person.
Yeah, I don't know why it's like that, but I mean, it works great.
So I'll be using the e.l.f. I love this one because it has the same texture as Benefit, and it feels so great. It's so soft.
Just apply and go.
So I'm applying my foundation with a brush because I love brush. I'm just mixing the two colors.
You know I already have our makeup one up, right? The one where we went to this place?
You do?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
What?
It's been up.
Oh, thanks for letting me know.
I thought you knew. Aren't you subscribed?
Yes.
Get off my channel! My own sister.
Stop it.
She's not subscribed. She's gonna get
It
booted. I
wasn't
saw
on
that red.
purpose. It wasn't on purpose. Oh my god, for a second I thought that was me. But that's just Anya.
Yeah, that's just Anya.
That's creepy.
She looks like, if you guys go on my Aruba vlog, she looks a lot like my other sister.
Yeah.
I'm going to be taking this MAC 24-hour wear concealer, and mine is in the color NC43. I'm gonna take Fit Me translucent powder, and this one is in Fair Light. So I'm gonna contour with my Anastasia palette, and then I'm going to go in with this MAC blush, and this one is in Sweet Cocoa.
And I am going to be contouring with Maybelline. It's a concealer, but I just buy the darkest shade and I contour with that.
You go to town.
So my only thing is I feel like I have a big forehead, so I try to like bring this contour as much forward as I can.
I like to sit there and like concentrate.
Yes. Like without anybody there.
Yeah.
Are you almost done? Are you almost done? Are you almost done?
Yeah. Like if I hear that, I'm like, sit down. Sit down, boy. It's gonna be a while.
I'm gonna carve out my contour right here. Just so it can be a little bit more defined. So today we're gonna be using Katie's lashes. Luz will post below all the information on how you can shop for these beautiful lashes. I'll be using the style Isabella, and she'll be using the style Yali's. So she will post all the information below on the website, the IG page, and how you can get these. And also they come in this beautiful box. You can also save the lashes in these boxes, and you can wear them up to 25 times if you take care of them, which
I'm excited. I've never tried these lashes,
so
but
pretty.
she did bring some for me to try.
So pretty.
And and they look really nice. So how much do these usually retail for?
I believe they are 20.
We are going to finish up the lashes and stuff off camera, and our under eye and lips, and we will be right back to show you guys the end result. Guys, this is the finished look. We finished everything off. I applied the lashes, she did as well. I did kind of like more neutral lip, and she did more of the darker lip. I love your look.
Thanks.
Really, really pretty.
I went to the dark side, guys.
Yeah.
Let me know how you like this look.
Yeah.
I don't really go to the dark side when it comes to my lips and stuff, but I'm really liking this.
Really loved doing this for you guys. So let us know what other things you guys would want us to do together. As I said, she is a makeup artist. So if you're in the Lawrence area and need your makeup done, feel free to contact Yali. I will leave everything linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yes, you will. Follow my makeup page.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.